Priced at $8,000, we basically have a two-wheeled rocket here in the form of a 2006 Suzuki GSX1300R, more affectionately referred to as the Hayabusa. 12-year-old bike, but it doesn't even have 5,000 miles on it yet. This bike features a 1300cc water-cooled inline 4-cylinder engine that, according to different sources, develops between 175 and 190 horsepower. They all agreed on the dry weight though, hovering right around 500 pounds. That's a huge amount of power for a quarter-ton bike. If I bought a bike like this, I'd immediately go to the track and take some lessons. I'm part of the older demographic that just hasn't ridden sport bikes yet. But you can. You can test ride this blue and silver beauty 7 days a week at North County Indian Motorcycle in San Marcos.